Manicaland miners have reacted angrily to a directive from the Office of President and Cabinet compelling them to pay $3,000 each towards ZANU-PF 22nd National People's Conference. Sanabena mashoko buda panguwa ine konokwanza kwaita chaos ku Manicaland as Mnangagwa forced miners to fund ZANU-PF conference. Sanabena mashoko nenawo izvizere konokwa kunzi avo vanhu vojamukira mutungamiri wenyika amene kuti zvizvi zvoitika ku Manicaland after they were forced to pay $3,000 each to fund the upcoming ZANU-PF conference. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The order, contained in a letter dated 28 September 2025 and signed by Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution Mishek Mugadza, instructed miners to make payments by 2 October. The correspondence was issued on official government letterhead and followed a provincial fundraising meeting for the ruling party's conference. The move has sparked outrage, with many accusing the government of abusing state institutions to bankroll partisan events. One miner fumed, "We came into the business to survive, not to be treated like cash cows for politicians. This is not a contribution, it's a demand, and we are left with no choice." Another miner described the directive as intimidation, saying, "If you refuse to pay, you know they will come after your operations with inspections and penalties. They are using fear to extract money from us. It is shameful." The move has sparked outrage, with many accusing the government of abusing state institutions to bankroll partisan events. One miner fumed. Industry players argue the order highlights a dangerous overlap between party and state. A frustrated miner said, "They talk about supporting local industry, but then the same government is draining us dry. How can we invest in machinery or pay our workers properly when we are being forced to fund a political gathering?" Critics warn that the practice sets a damaging precedent. Today it's miners, tomorrow it will be another sector. This kind of forced fundraising is nothing but exploitation under the guise of government authority, added another operator. The directive has added to growing tensions in Manicaland, with miners openly questioning why state offices are being used to push ZANU-PF's private agenda. Ndo mashoko aripo panguwa ine vanhu vachijamukira ZANU. Pinagumeze kuchemedu dzimafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.